Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make curry with rice. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. This includes 1 pound of your chosen protein or vegetables, 1 onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, 2 tablespoons of your favorite curry powder, and 1 can of creamy coconut milk. For the rice, you'll need 2 cups of basmati and 4 cups of water. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onion and minced garlic, sautéing until they become soft and fragrant, about 3 minutes. Next, stir in the fresh ginger and curry powder, cooking for just 1 minute to really bring out those amazing aromas. Finally, add your chicken or vegetables and the full can of coconut milk, letting it simmer gently for 15 minutes. While your curry simmers, let's prepare the perfect basmati rice. First, rinse 2 cups of basmati rice under cold running water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch, ensuring fluffy grains. Transfer the rinsed rice to a pot, add 4 cups of water and a small pinch of salt. Bring it to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer for 12 minutes. Once the rice has finished cooking, turn off the heat and let it rest covered for 5 minutes. This allows the steam to redistribute, making it extra fluffy. Then gently fluff the rice with a fork. Now it's time to serve. Ladle a generous portion of your delicious, aromatic curry over the perfectly cooked basmati rice. Garnish with fresh cilantro if you like, and enjoy your homemade meal. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a great book and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.